So at a young age, I got real into riding bikes and doing crazy flips and those type of things. So I went off of a bigger jump than I was used to, and I came down and really smacked the handlebars with my front teeth. Unfortunately, both of those front teeth came out. Dr. Pruett was able to put those back in and keep those back to life, but the chips and cracks over the years continued to go on.
I've known Mike for a long time. He's the type of ex-gamer athlete that you might see that's doing flips on a snowboard or flips on a wakeboard. And with doing all those types of things and being so active as he was as a younger kid, he damaged his front teeth. And as we've kind of monitored him over the years, they were rebuilt with just some basic bonding, but he's never been super happy with the way that they looked.
From day one, when I spoke with Dr. Pruett, he really heard what I was saying and really thought about what was best for me. And that's when he came up with putting in veneers.
So as he's become an adult and he's out in the professional world, he just felt like he needed to go ahead and make a change. So we were able to do some really cool stuff with him. Very conservative veneers, some whitening, and we were able to really change his smile. And he's always been confident, but now he's definitely confident to show a smile.
So the shape of my teeth, well, the color of course was very yellow. I never liked that from day one, and it never seemed to match the teeth on the side. So I always wanted teeth that were drastic. They made a statement every time you open your mouth, something that's noticeable. So I really wanted real boxy teeth from the start, and that's really what I did to my first 4 teeth there. So I actually did a lot of research coming in. I noticed that the celebrities, of course, and people you see on TV all have veneers. So I actually came in with a picture and showed Dr. Pruett, this is what I want my teeth to look like. And that was something he said I can certainly do. And I actually think he did a better job than the picture I brought in. One thing that Dr. Pruett does in all of his procedures is he stays communicating the whole time. So you never feel uncomfortable because he's walking you through the process. He's asking you if you need anything all the time. You know, every 5-10 minutes he's checking in on you. So you never feel uncomfortable. My smile now is amazing. The veneers I would do over and over again. Everybody asks me what whitening I use, and I just tell them I got perfect teeth put in by Dr. Pruett veneers, and I'd never go back.